If you find your toilet seat to be too low to comfortably sit down and get up from, then the Invacare adjustable toilet seat raiser with lid and armrest is the perfect option for you. The first step in assembly is to lay out all of the included parts. With 3 levels of adjustable height from 2 inches to 6 inches, this toilet seat raiser can fit your personal safety preference. Choose the level that suits you best. Slide in the rear crossbar and secure it with the black tightening screws. Next, you can slide in the armrests. Lift the toilet seat up to ensure they are installed properly. Once they're slid in all the way, use the red clips to secure them in place. Now, flip the toilet seat raiser over. Here, you can install the T-shaped stoppers. Install the stopper at the same level as the rear crossbar. Once this is completed, you're ready to install the toilet seat raiser on your toilet. Be sure to remove your existing toilet seat before installation. Stick on the non-slip pad to the toilet and slide the long silver bolt through the hole, then slide the short white piece over the silver bolt, ensuring the curved surface points downward to the end of the bolt. Now, thread on the long plastic piece to secure the seat to the toilet. You are now ready to use your Invacare adjustable toilet seat raiser with lid and armrests. Learn more about the Invacare adjustable toilet seat raiser with lid and armrests by visiting halohealthcare.com or tapping the link in the description. Finally, if you found this video helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like. Thanks for watching.